Hi, thanks for checking out my video review of the TicTop 3D printing pen. I want to give you a closer look at this today and show you just how this works. So let's take a look at the pen itself. On the very top we have two indicator lights. Then we have the temperature controller, so you can adjust the temperature anywhere between 160 to 230 degrees. On this side we have the speed controller. So you just simply slide that forward to get to the speed that you want the filament to come out the end. And then on this side you have the adjusters there, so you can actually feed the wire coming out or to have it if you want to remove it from the pen. Then on the back side we have the place where the wire goes into, so that is the wire loading hole. Okay, let's go ahead and plug that in now so we can get this heated up. So I'm just simply going to plug it into the very end there. And as you can see, the yellow indicator light came on. So this is now in the preheat status. What you want to do to go ahead and actually turn it on is press the wire feed button. And now the light has turned red. In about 30 seconds or less, it's going to turn green when it's fully heated up. So while that's, oh, there it already went. So let's take a look at what else comes in the box. So you do get 3 different colors, and I think they're just kind of randomly picked the colors of filament. And each one of the filaments is 10 grams per loop. So mine came with blue, and then I also got a lavender and kind of a yellowish, orangish, tannish color. So those are the 3 that I got. And then you also get your instruction guide on how to use everything. So the instruction guide is very, very good. I do like that. Now, as you notice, I'm doing this over a paper towel. I don't want it sticking to any of my surfaces. And what you need to do now is select the temperature that you want it at by simply sliding this forward or backwards. And then you can feed it, or I'm sorry, you can adjust the speed of it right along here, how fast you want it to come out. And then to actually go ahead and get some to come out, you just simply press the feed button. So I'm going to do this over the side of this little acrylic stand here, and you can hear it making its noise. So there it's coming out. And as it hits the surface, it's going to cool. And they do recommend that you only use or let kids 8 and over actually use this. So you can make whatever shape you want, and if you want to let something cool, you just simply let go for a second. And as it cools, it hardens. So now I can add on to that shape. Let that cool a little bit to harden. I'm not releasing anything just yet, I'm just letting it harden. Now I can come out to, actually let me hold on to that while it goes. So it does cool rather quick. So you can get pretty creative with these. I'm just doing this for a demonstration purposes. So that's kind of the shape we just made. And you can see it's kind of like your glue guns. It gives those little strings on the end, but they come off fairly easily. Now if I wanted to make a series of shapes, you could do something simple like I was just originally doing. Let's start it there. And then I'll go over the edge and back up. And what's kind of fun too is if you do it fast enough, you can kind of mold it a little bit, but I wasn't fast enough to do that. But as you can see, it's taken that shape on that I had right over the edge. So you can make pretty much anything you want to make. Whatever shapes, letters, anything like that. You can just go in a circle, do a square, triangle, make a tree, make a dog, whatever you want to make. and just have fun with it. So that is how quick and easy it is to use. When you're done, you simply just need to unplug it. And then if you want to change the filament out, press the reverse button, and it does come out. See, it's unfeeding. It's kind of hard to see from there, but it is coming out. And now it's ready for me to switch over to another color. So I haven't even tried any of the other colors yet, so let's try the purple. And all you got to do is feed that right into the hole and press the feed button. And it does take a little bit of time to get it going. Now I have the speed, do I have it all the way up? Yeah, I had the speed slowed down. So now I'm going to go ahead and just speed that up real quick too. Okay, so now it's kicking out the rest of the blue, but it's now turned over to purple. So that is how you use one of these 3D pens. I think it's pretty fun. We'll have to play around with it and make some cool little designs. Thanks so much for watching.